Hey guys, welcome back to the another video series of Begisto. So guys, as you can see, today I'm going to explain you about what all new features we have added in our new release 1.2.0. This is Prachi and I am a business developer in Begisto. Today I am here to explain you about what all our wonderful features we have added in our new version. And guys, before moving towards the video, first of all, I would like to say thanks to all our respective customer, the beginners, developers, Laravel community. Because of your support we are here and we are keep improving ourselves, we are keep adding value towards our platform so that we can provide you a platform where you can achieve your e-commerce dream, so that you can convert your small shop to a big brand. So guys, now let's move on to the next slide where I will explain you what all the features we have added in this version. So guys, these all are the wonderful features which we are launching in this version. Product search by image, social share, Algolia for Begisto, customer group pricing, social login, Begisto package generator, and we are moving from Laravel 6 to Laravel 7. How to enable blade file tracer in Begisto, Elasticsearch for Begisto. So guys, these are not just, we have also added like a few minor changes also, like minor features, because these are some major features, so that's why I'm here to explain you about. And apart from this particular video, I'm also going to share with you soon a completely individual blog for each and every point which we have discussed here. So now let's move on to the first point where we will see product search by image. So guys, this is our wonderful and beautiful Velocity theme and our beautiful Begisto front end. So because as we have first point is like first feature is product search by image. So now let's see how this feature will work and how the customer can finally search the product by the image. So guys, this feature allow all the Begisto users to take a photo of a product from their image gallery or the product they are looking for, and after that now they will be able to search and potentially find the same or a similar product for their purchase. So now let's click on the camera icon. As you can see guys, this is very simple to use this feature. You just need to click on this camera icon. After that the customer will be like redirected to their product gallery or like their gallery of their desktop, and from there they can choose any product what like they are looking for. And okay, I'm going to search a teddy bear because I love teddy bear, so I'm going to search a teddy bear here. So we just need to upload a product which you are looking for, like customer just need to upload the product what they are looking for, and the customer will find the similar product, or like somehow they will find a similar product. If you the admin having the same product, the customer will find the same product, otherwise they will find the similar kind of product. So guys, as you can see, I have uploaded a teddy bear and here I'll find the result, similar result like teddy bear. I'll find a variety of teddy bears here. So I hope this will help you to understand, this video is helpful for understand you how you can use this feature, because guys, this feature is letting your customer search a product which they are looking for. Like they can upload an image, and the technology we have used here are TensorFlow technology, the machine learning technology we used here, so that we can give a customer a seamless experience for searching a product over your web store. So guys, apart from these product, the customer can also find these analyze keyword. If the admin of the store having any of the product related to these keywords, the customer will also find those products. So now let's click on this teddy bear. So once the customer will click on this keyword, the customer will find the product if the admin having the product in this keyword. So as you can see, because all the products having like teddy bear, pink teddy bear, red teddy bear, so this is like very helpful for the customer so that they can find a similar product or like same product, what kind of product he is looking for. And apart from this guys, make sure your env in your env, your app url must be correct to use this feature. You have to mention your app url in your env file, as I mentioned here. So this is all about the product search by image, and soon guys I will be sharing the particular doc of each and every feature, where you can find how successfully you can use these features which we are launching in our version 1.2.0. So now let's move on to the another feature, which is social share. Guys, every day there are over 500 million tweets, 350 million photos are uploaded every day on Facebook, with 14.58 million photo uploaded per hour, 24,000 photo uploaded per minute, and 4,000 photos uploaded per second on Facebook. Apart from this, approx 95 million data uploaded on social media platforms. So you can imagine how social share is useful and beneficial for your web store. Guys, this will not only helpful for sharing your product, which is not only creating a awareness, but also it will help you to increase your conversion rate, because people are allowing, like people are sharing these products, your web store product, with their friends, colleagues, their relatives. And Begistore website social share allows you to share your website content, such as page, post, image, media, or on major social platform like Facebook. You can share your photos or like products to the tutors, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and mail. So let me show you the front end. First of all, let's click on the product. So guys, as you can see, here are the social share buttons. The customer can share their products on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and mail. Even customer can also share the product on WhatsApp, but the WhatsApp will work on your mobile device. So once the customer will click on the Facebook, they will redirect it to the Facebook platform where they can share their product. And if you guys wanted to look on how the WhatsApp will be work, so guys, let me show you the responsive view of this platform. So this is the responsive view where the customer can see the WhatsApp icon, and the customer can share the product on the WhatsApp to their friends, relative, and colleague. So guys, this is really very wonderful and like helpful feature for your web store, and attractive feature as well, where the customer are able to share the product to like other social media platform, Twitter. They can share with the product to their friends on Facebook. They can, if they like any product, they can share on WhatsApp. And now let's move on to the backend setting, like how admin will allow these features. So guys, this is our wonderful, beautiful backend of Begistore, and which is very easily understandable. It is easy for the beginners, even the people who are non-technical. This is very simple for those people as well, and it is attractive, it is simple and beautiful. And for successfully using the social share feature, the admin need to go to the configure section. Then they have to navigate to the catalog, then products. Under the product, the admin will find this social share settings, where they will find the toggle buttons like enable social share. And here these are all the social platform where the customer can share their products, which whatever they wanted to like to share with their friends, like Facebook, Twitter, Printers, WhatsApp. As I shown you, like WhatsApp will work on your mobile device. You can share the products on WhatsApp on your mobile, and enable share in LinkedIn, enable share in emails. Even customer can also share the product with a particular message. The admin can set any message here as per their preference. As I mentioned, please check this product. You can customize it, you can create, you can enter anything whatever you wanted to do, and the admin will click on the save button to save this configuration. And here is the success message: configuration saved successfully. So guys, this is the another wonderful feature like social share, because we all know that how much people are spending their time on like social platforms, because in like 24 hours in a day, 8 hours in our sleeping time, and apart from the 8 hours we have expend more than 50% or like 70% time on our social media. Like maybe we are chatting with our friends, we are like chatting with our colleagues or something. So people are keep moving, and like products are keep moving towards, and people are most aware on that, like people are keep using WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can use this wonderful feature. So now let's move on to the another feature, which is next in the list is Algolia for Begisto. So guys, with the help of this feature, you can integrate the Algolia search engine into your Begisto web store. Algolia is hosted search engine capable of delivering real-time result from the first keystroke. Algolia's powerful API lets you quickly and seamlessly implement search with your website and mobile. So guys, simply means with the help of this search engine you can increase your search speed, you can increase your search speed of your website, which is definitely give a very good experience to your customer. Those people having a less time, they wanted to search the product on your website quickly, and they do not want to invest much time because they are very busy with their working schedule. So Algolia is very helpful for those people like who wanted to search something in quickly, and they wanted to order something quickly because they are busy with their work and they are busy with their other daily routine. So now let's move on to the practical way how we can successfully use it. So guys, for using it, you need to go to the your Algolia account first. You have to log into your Algolia account. I already have it. So you have to log into your Algolia account. You can enter your email ID and password here. I log in with the GitHub because I already have this account. So this is my Algolia account. So guys, once you go to your Algolia account, you need to navigate to the API keys section, where you will find these application ID and search only API key and admin API key. Like this is the secret key basically. So to successfully use this Algolia, to integrate the Algolia, you have to copy this application ID and the admin API key, and you have to paste it in the config file or like scout.php file in the config folder, so that you can successfully use it. So now let's move on to our project where we will implement this or integrate it. So first we need to go to the config file. So guys, this is my config folder, and under the config we have to go to the scout.php, and here you will find this integration setting, and like under the driver, as you can see, scout driver is null, which we need to change to the Algolia. Then once we done it, here Algolia you can find it, and here is the ID and the secret ID. I already mentioned it here, and you will get this ID from here, like application ID. You can click here and your ID will be copied. Then you can paste it here, application ID, and this is the secret key basically, and you can paste the secret key here. And now let's click on the save to save this changes. So this is the this is a very simple way you can integrate your Algolia with Vegisto, which will give a customer a very fast and quick result while they are like searching any product on your website. And apart from this, guys, you will also find this product indexing here, which is automatically, once you have successfully configured your Algolia with the Begisto, you will find all your products here, and it will work automatically. Let's suppose if you are deleting, adding, or you are updating any product on your web store, on your Bagisto store, this will update it automatically. So now let's go to your front end. So this is my Bagisto front end, and we have successfully configured the Algolia. Now I'm going to search the product. I'm going to search Teddy. Now click on search. So guys, here is the result. You can see how fast is it working. And one more thing guys, because I have not added like thousands of million of product right now, but the site who is using having the millions or the like thousands of product, they will find a significant result. How fast they will like find the search result, the customer can find the search result. Even I am also find it. Even I can also check this like how quickly I can see the product result here. So guys, as you can see, this is very simple to configure the or like integrate the Algolia with your Bagisto web store, and it will literally give the customer a very quick result. And the integration of this is very simple. You just need to go to the your config folder, then you need to go to the scout.php, then you just need to change the scout driver from null to Algolia, and you have to paste your application and secret key here. So that's all for this feature. And guys, please don't worry about this like if later on you are going to use it, how you will find it like so I'm going to publish the blogs or the docs, where the individual docs where you can see how successfully you can use these features. So next in the list is customer group pricing. Guys, customer group pricing is another wonderful feature for our customer, like for admin. As guys, basically customer group pricing allows the admin to set the different price or a offer price for their specific customer group. For them, they wanted to give some kind of offer on the product price. So now let's create a product where I can show you how you can use this feature. So it's a demo product, and then we have to allow these toggle buttons. You have to give some description. Demo pro. Basically the admin will provide the description based on their product. Now this is the price which the admin will set for the customer who is visiting their store. Let's suppose I'm setting the price is $100. And guys, this is the customer group. So by hitting this customer group price, add customer group price, the admin can choose all the groups from this particular drop down. If you have a multiple group, these all group will be listed here. So now I'm gonna choose wholesale, and this is the minimum quantity which customer needs to buy for this price, which I'm going to set. Here I'm putting a 1. Then I am giving a $90 of price for this product for this particular customer group, which is wholesale. Then we have to give some weight to the product, inventory, image. Okay, I'm adding this study. Then category, I have a root and kids category only, then I'm adding this on root. Then I'm just clicking on save product. So guys, here you can see our product updated successfully. Now let's move on to the front end, and let's refresh the front end. So guys, this is the product, the demo product which I have recently created, and as you can see, the price which I can see because I'm a guest customer right now, which is $100. Now let's sign up with the store. Sign up. Okay, here we have to provide some details. Then email ID, password, sign up. Then our account is created successfully. So here we have to give the email ID and password for our account which we have recently created. Sign in. So guys, here it is like customer profile. Now let's move on to the front end. So now guys, you can see right now I am a journal customer. So this product price, as I can see, it is $100 right now. And because I have once I have created this product, I choose the wholesale under the group where I have set the $90 of the price. So now let's move on to the back end, and now let's go to the customer. So as you can see, this is the Peter Do which I have recently created as a customer. Now we have to go to the action and added customer section, where we have to do some. Here admin can add this particular customer in a particular customer group, and then click on save customer. So customer updated successfully. Now you can see I am into the Peter Do into the wholesale group. Now let's refresh this page. Now guys, as you can see, the customer who is into a particular group, they can see the different price. So guys, this is a very helpful and a very important, we could say, or a feature where admin can segment the price of the product based on their customer group. They can set the price for general customer something else. They can set the price for a specific customer group to whom they wanted to give some discounts or a special price. So guys, this is very simple to set the price for their particular customer group into your web store. As I earlier shown you, just need to go to the catalog section, and once you are adding the product, you will get the option which is add customer group, where you can add the price for a particular customer group to whom you wanted to give the discount. So next in the row is Bagisto. Okay, social login. So guys, again, social login is a wonderful feature because it allows your customer to log in with their social accounts. First I need to log out from here so that I can show you how the customer can log in from the social login buttons. So guys, social login is another wonderful and most useful feature, because with the help of this feature, admin will allow their customer to log in with these social platform with their accounts, continue with Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn and GitHub. And before going to use these platforms successfully, let me show you the backend setting where admin needs to allow the customer to log in with these social accounts. So for this, admin needs to go to the configure, then admin needs to go to the catalog section, customer, and under the customer, here is the social login setting. The admin needs to enable social share, enable Twitter, enable Google, enable LinkedIn and GitHub. So these are the 5 platforms by which a customer can log in with their account and once the admin enable these toggle buttons, they can click on the save button to save this setting. So now let's move on to the front end. Today I am going to show you how you can configure the GitHub API keys with your web store, Bagisto store, and you have to do the same settings, like same process you have to follow with the other platforms such as Facebook, Twitter and Google, LinkedIn to get the APIs, and you have to integrate these API with your Bagisto web store. So now let's move on to the process. The GitHub, first of all we have to click on the continue with GitHub. So guys, because I have not configured the API key as of now, that's why I'm getting 404 error. For this, as I told you, we have to configure the API key with our Bagisto web store. So now we have to log in, the admin has to log into their GitHub account, because I'm already logged into my account. So admin will needs to go to the settings on his GitHub account. Under the setting, he needs to go to the developer settings, then auth apps. I have already configured my Bagisto previously, so admin needs to click on new auth apps. Now here admin will mention their application name, Bagisto GitHub login. This is just a demo I'm giving you, and here you have to enter your home page URL. So we can get the home page URL from here. So this is basically my home page URL, which you have to paste it here. Then describe your application. And here the authorization callback URL. Guys, you can get these authorization callback URL from your env file. This is my env file, and this is the GitHub callback URL. So guys, as you can see, by default you will find this like this, your host.com, but here you have to mention your domain. So I need to copy it. This is my callback URL. Then I have to paste it here. Then register application. So guys, these are my client ID and the client secret ID. I have to copy it and paste it here in my env file, because my application is registered successfully. Now I have to click on save. So guys, hope you understand. For successfully using the social login, you have to, the admin needs to generate the API keys from the social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Google and LinkedIn and GitHub. Here I am showing you the process how you can get the API key from the GitHub. For the rest of the platform, you have to follow the same process, and I'll share the doc where you can find out the process how you can get the API key from Google, Facebook and other platform. And this is the URL which you need to mention. Here you need to mention your domain, and you need to copy this URL, and you have to mention it to your authorization callback URL here. Now let's move on to the front end and let's refresh it. Click on the login, sign in. Now the customer will click on continue with GitHub. So guys, here you will find like authorize Bagisto GitHub login. Now the customer will click on the authorize his account. So guys, as you can see, now customer is successfully logged in with the GitHub account. So this is very simple and easy for the customer to log in with their social media platform account to the with the. So this is very, so guys, as you can see, this is very simple for the customer. Now they can log in with the Bagisto web store with their social media platforms such as like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, Google. And for this, admin has to get the API from their particular social platform, from Facebook, GitHub. And as I display the process how you can get the API from the GitHub, same process you have to follow, like you have to follow some kind of steps to create the API credentials from these particular platform. Then you have to integrate these API key here into your env file. As you can see here, you have to integrate the Facebook ID, secret ID, Twitter client ID, secret ID, and Google ID and secret ID. So this is a simple process which you have to follow while you are integrating the social media with your web store. So next in the row is, so guys, next in the row is Bagisto package generator. Bagisto package generator is obviously another wonderful feature that will create a sample package for you with a single command. You just need to run a single command and your package generator will be installed in your Bagisto repository. And it takes in a lot of demanding feature that allow your business to scale into time. So now let's see from where you can download this Bagisto package generator and where you will get the GitHub repository for the same. So guys, this is our GitHub repository for Bagisto package generator. And so this is the beautiful and a single command which you need to run into your Bagisto root folder. Composer require Bagisto / Bagisto - package - generator. And this is the summary, like commands: package colon make, create a new package. So this is a kind of summary you will get, and this is a description of all the commands, like if you wanted to create a new package. So guys, this is another wonderful feature which we are coming up in our new release 1.2.0, and we have a separate doc for this package generator that will definitely help you to create a different and useful package for your web store. And this will definitely help the developer who is using Bagisto so far and they are exploring it. And now next is, guys, this is another wonderful like thing that we are moving from Laravel 6 to Laravel 7, and now you can use Laravel 7 on your Bagisto web store. And next is how to enable blade file tracer in Bagisto. Guys, when we are working on a website with a number of views, it becomes difficult to find out which part contains the code that you need to work on. And this is very helpful for the beginners, developer, our contributor, partners who deals with the Bagisto and face difficulty to find the blade file of the template. And this could be very helpful for a number of reasons. If you are working on a website with lot of view, implementing a number of blocks in a template, this will help the beginner to understand the structure of the project. So now let's move on to the practical or like things how you can enable the blade file tracer for your Bagisto package. So we need to go to your project. So this is our project, and for this first we need to the config, and then we have to go to the view.php file. By default, guys, you will file tracer as false, which you need to change as true. Then click on just save it. Now let's go to the terminal. And go to your project root. So now I am into my project root. The first command which I need to run, it is php artisan view :clear. We just need to run two commands, guys, to enable the blade file tracer in Bagisto. First is the php artisan view clear, and another command which I need to run is php artisan config cache. And like, here we go, configuration cached successfully. Now we move to the front end and let's refresh the page. And guys, as you can see, now you can check the templates. You can see the path of your source path, you can see right now. This is another very useful and important feature which we are launching in this version, how to enable blade file tracer for Bagisto. Guys, this is really helpful for the beginners or the contributor or the people or the developer who are using Bagisto. It will helpful for them to check, because we are getting a lot of queries on our platform where like we are getting queries where we can find the particular path of this particular file. So this feature is allowed those people or developer to enable the blade file, and now they can check the path 2.0. And now next in the row is Elasticsearch for Bagisto. So guys, Elasticsearch is an analytical engine, and also it is a highly scalable open source full text search. It allows the store owner like you to search, store and analyze a big chunk of data very rapidly and in real time. Even Bagisto Elasticsearch is used as the underlying engine, and it powers applications that have complex search features and requirements. So guys, to configure the Elasticsearch, again we have to go to the config file of our Bagisto package. So now let's move on to the config folder. Under the config folder, you need to go to the scout.php file, and here you will find default search engine and the driver, which you can see scout driver as null. Here you have to mention the elastic, then save it. After that, you need to go to the elastic client.php. So guys, here by default you will find localhost :9200 as a elastic host. Here you have to paste your elastic host, and where you will find your product indexing, and whatever the product you will add, you will be after config here you will find elastic host by default as localhost :9200, and here you have to paste your own elastic host URL. Here you will find elastic host as localhost :9200. Here you have to paste your own elastic host, and once you have successfully configured it, you will find your product indexing under this particular elastic host, and this will be automatically updated. Like once you have added the product after you have configured the Elastic search engine with your Bagisto web store, you will find your product indexing under your Elastic host. So guys, that's all for this video. So these all are the key features that we are launching in our version 1.2.0, where we have seen product search by image, social share, Algolia for Bagisto, customer group pricing, social login, Bagisto package generator, Laravel 6 to 7, and Blade file tracer, Elasticsearch for Bagisto. Apart from this, so guys, there are some small feature as well, which we will be like covering in our doc, which we are continuously sharing with you. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.